Now we set up the businesses we pay, our vendors. A voucher always pays someone, so before we can raise one, the supplier must exist here with its bank details. Vendors live under CRM and Operations Master in the side menu. We open it. This is the vendor directory. It is empty, so we add our first supplier. We give the vendor a name. This is the supplier we buy from. The bank details matter most. This is the account the business pays into when a voucher for this vendor is approved. The bank name is chosen from a live list of Nigerian banks, then we enter the account number and account name exactly as they appear on the statement. Payment terms set how soon a bill is due. Net 30 means payment is expected within 30 days. We save the vendor. Our first vendor is saved. Let us add one more so the directory is ready for real work. We save the second vendor the same way. Both vendors are now in the directory, each with their bank details and payment terms. In the next video we will record a bill from one of them, a vendor invoice.